how to see your context usage in Claude Code CLI. So hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll show you how you can see the currently stored context and its usage in Claude Code CLI. So in order to do this, the steps are fairly very easy. All you will need to do is simply follow these simple steps. So the first thing that we're going to do is simply launch our Windows PowerShell and type in the Claude command in order to launch Claude. And once Claude Code successfully launches, you will need to type in a forward slash and then type in context. Now, using this, you can visualize current context usage as a colored grid. So simply hit the enter button and just wait for it to present you the stats, and from here you can see the context usage. So all of this metrics represent the total context usage, and out of this total context I have used this much of the context usage, and here is a legend that provides information representing which particular color represents what particular context category. Apart from here, you can also find your MCP tools and available MCP lists, and also your custom agents, your user agents, and memory files, along with the skills file and locally stored skills as well. So that was all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching this video and have a nice day.